Hello friends, I am Dr. Anirudh and today we will be discussing a very important topic that is of particular concern to patients after they undergo bariatric surgery, and that is, will there be weight regain after the bariatric surgery or will the weight come back after some time of bariatric surgery. So bariatric surgery is a long-term efficacious treatment for weight loss in the morbidly obese group of patients, and it aims to do this by reducing the size of the stomach and intestine, and it also produces a number of hormonal and metabolic changes in the body which help to curtail the hunger and also increase the amount of fat burning hormones in the body, which leads to a long-term weight loss. However, it has to be remembered that bariatric surgery should always be accompanied by the necessary diet and lifestyle changes for it to be successful in the long term. Weight regain is a possibility which can occur in 5 to 10% of the patients after they have undergone bariatric surgery. It does not occur immediately. It usually starts after a period of 2 to 3 years of their surgery, and it can gradually progress so that patient gain a significant amount of the weight which they have lost in their surgery, and sometimes the medical conditions which were associated with obesity can also recur. There are a number of risk factors which are associated with weight regain, and there are a few methods by which it can be prevented. After bariatric surgery, there is a marked decrease in the capacity to take food, and also the hunger hormone is decreased. But after a period of 1 to 2 years, there is a gradual stretching of the gastric pouch and widening of the anastomosis with the intestine. This leads to an increased intake of food at this stage, and also the patient feels more hunger as compared to what he was feeling immediately after the surgery. This is the time when they have to be careful to take a high protein and high fiber nutritious diet, and they should not at all take the junk foods, the high calorie liquids as well as alcohol. They should not take the junk foods, high calorie liquids and alcohol, which leads to a rapid storage of fat in the body and can promote weight regain. Also, it is important that patients should maintain a regular exercise schedule after their surgery. The exercise schedule should be started early and should be adhered to religiously. They should do a combination of aerobic as well as weight bearing exercises. This will help to accelerate their heart rate and promote body fat loss, and also the weight bearing exercises would help to preserve the lean body mass, which accelerates the basal metabolic rate in the long term and helps to prevent the weight regain. Also, the patients who have undergone bariatric surgery should regularly attend the support group meetings. They should interact with other people who have undergone the same surgery so that they can discuss their common problems and can find solutions to overcome them. These patients are also encouraged to change their lifestyle, to adhere to a proper routine, and also to participate in some group sporting activities such as a cycling club or a jogging club, or maybe some sort of yoga or dance, whatever it may be, that provides them the necessary physical activity and an outlet to burn calories regularly. Last but not the least, the patient should identify the conditions which led to the weight regain in the first place. Sometimes they might be taking some drugs which promote weight gain, and these drugs should be identified, and if possible they should be substituted or their dosage should be changed so that the weight regain does not occur. Also, if there is some medical condition or some accident or injury which is limiting the physical activity for these patients, then this should be treated so that the patient can go back to their active lifestyle as soon as possible.